Some months ago I did a video on how to identify an original battery, in which I explained the difference between the original and the fake. I explained the logo on the Apple battery is the best way of identifying an original battery, but now the battery manufacturers are more smarter, because they've noticed that people can identify an original battery through looking at the logo. Now they've devised means of pasting the logos on the batteries, as you can see on your screen. The original and the fake batteries have the Apple logo on it, making it more difficult for someone to be able to identify which is the original and which is not the original Apple battery. The question now is, how do we identify an original Apple battery? And I think Apple should devise other means in which people can be able to identify which is the original and which is the fake. You can also watch my other videos at the description link. My videos are on various topics which has to do with internet speed, fake and original phones, designing using CapCut, phone reviews, how to transform your Android phone into an iPhone 14, unboxing of Spark 8C, how to make money online, and so many more, and how you can charge your phone the best way. Please leave a comment, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.